Welcome, it's Jean-Michel Guéral and we are going to see the installation of the Discovery app in SDM. So I've previously installed SDM as we see it here in the interface. I see that in a previous video, and we are going to add this app Discovery that will allow us to discover sensitive data in databases. So the first thing to do is to be sure that SDM is down. So we have it running here. We will stop it. I can do it with the menu. I could have also just close this window. Let's do it properly. SDM is down. I'm now going to go in the folder where we have the tool to install this Discovery app. It's on the C drive. I've installed my SDM in SDM 765, and this will be in OBT bin. And I see here my Discovery installer. So that's the one I want to run. I will run it in a shell so that I see all the logs. Let's go with PowerShell and start this Discovery installer bat and see what we have. So this installer starts. Let's close these windows to clarify, and we will click next. Here we have some folders and path variables that we need to set up, so be sure to have all that ready, and be sure to have all these parameters as well concerning memory. It's normally done by default. You can check it if you wish, but if you have installed the latest version of SDM, for now it's now by default. Mainly when you have upgraded from a later version. So here we are ready to install. We have our summary. Click next, and it will install our package. So nothing really complicated, just about running this setup, and we'll see this extension, this app appearing in the interface. It's now finished. Let's click next, and we are ready. Next thing to do is to restart our SDM console. Let's go to our script here and run the startup script. After a couple of minutes, we have our server started again. We see here it started. That's the message, and we are going to go back in the console and install a Discovery as a service so that it can start automatically. We have for that a few commands. I'm still in my path here, OBT bin, and I can run the command discovery bat -a. This will get into Discovery command console, and here I have to type my encryption key. So that's the key that we have generated when we have installed SDM. This allows Discovery to access the repository of configuration. You remember that this repository contains all the configuration that we have in SDM, and this is the initialization of Discovery, so that this configuration can access this repository. So let's quit now, type Q. We are now going to install the service, so I'm still in this path, OBT bin, and we'll run the command now, discovery service bat install, and this will create the service in our Windows server. It's installed. I can check it in the services, and we have SDM Discovery service. It's currently running. I have the possibility, if it's not running, to use the same command, discovery service, discovery service. I can start or stop the service. I can do it from here, or I can do it with my normal Windows environment. So now everything is started. If I go back to my interface, I will refresh my console. And we will have our new app appearing in the console, and I will be able to run my discovery on my databases. All right, this is our discovery app, and this is where I will be able to do all this discovery, and that's something we will see in a later video.